Tiko swings through the jungle canopy, driven by hunger. He spots a glowing banana marked with strange symbols. Whoa! This banana has a map on it! Deep in the jungle, Tiko's call pierces the silence, summoning Zara, Bongo, Kiki, and Luna. Zara, Bongo, Kiki, and Luna arrive, their eyes wide with anticipation. Kiki wonders aloud, "A map? To what?" Tiko reveals, "The Whispering Trees." Legend says they hold ancient jungle secrets, but only if you listen. Following a banana map, Tiko and his friends venture deeper into the dense jungle, each relying on their unique skills. Zara blends seamlessly with the jungle foliage, while Bongo clears the way with his powerful trunk. Kiki soars above, scouting for unseen dangers, as Luna remains vigilant on the ground. They halt before an ancient stone tablet, etched with a riddle that may hold the key to their journey. The narrator speaks. "I have roots nobody sees. I am taller than trees. Up, up I go, and yet never grow." The friends step into the Whispering Trees Grove, where ancient giants whisper secrets on the breeze. Tiko perks up, exclaiming, "I think they're trying to tell us something." Kiki interjects with the answer. The artifact is hidden beneath the largest tree's roots. Beneath the ancient trees, the friends work together, unearthing a treasure from the earth. Luna lifts the wooden flute to her lips, filling the grove with a magical melody. The trees respond, rustling with stories and secrets, as Tiko exclaims, "We learned that listening is the real adventure.